In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. If you often send the same type of message again and again, email templates can save you a lot of time. Instead of rewriting the same content every time, Outlook lets you quickly insert a pre-written message into a new email. This is especially useful for follow-ups, standard replies, reminders, or any message format you use regularly. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Outlook icon from your applications or selecting Outlook from your menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once Outlook is open and fully loaded, go ahead and start a new message by clicking New Mail. This will open a blank email window where you can begin composing. Inside the new message window, look for the icon that gives you access to more message options and enhancements. Click that icon to expand the available tools. This area includes extra features that can help you customize or speed up your email workflow. And one of those features is templates. From there, click My Templates. This opens the template panel where you can view the templates available in your Outlook setup. If you already have templates saved, you'll see them listed here and ready to use. This makes the process very simple because you don't need to copy and paste text from somewhere else or search through old emails to find the message you want. Now just select whichever template you prefer. As soon as you click on it, the template content will be inserted into your email draft. At this point, take a moment to review the message. Even if the template is already written, it's always a good idea to make sure it fits the specific person or situation. You can adjust the wording, add any extra details, or personalize the message before sending it. Once everything looks good, click Send. That's all it takes to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. It's a quick and practical feature that can make your email routine much more efficient, especially if you handle repetitive communication throughout the day. The more you use templates, the easier it becomes to stay consistent and save time while still keeping your emails clear and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.